What's up, everybody? I hope everybody's doing well. I know we're going through some crazy situations right now, but I'm gonna share a couple of tips and tricks on how to get yourself looking better even though we can't see our barbers or our hairstylists. So I'm gonna share tips and a couple of tools on how we can make this happen, all right? So the first thing you'll need is a three-way mirror, or somehow set up like a little thing in your bathroom where you have one mirror to be able to reflect and look and get the angles you need to be able to clip right. Second, you're gonna need a clipper for fading, so make sure it has a lever with 6 guards at least so you'll be able to fade. And you will also need a trimmer to edge up all the edges of your beard and the back of your neck and clean everything up before you use the razor. So we're gonna drape ourselves now, guys, to get ready to do this house cut. The first thing I like to do after I drape myself is comb my beard through, get it all in the right direction, and then take the 1.5 through the beard and following all the curvature to make sure my facial hair is all even. My guard of choice for the mustache is the one with the guard open. After I do this, I continue by edging up the back of the ear. Using the reflections from the self-cut system, I make sure I get that line really straight. Then I continue by edging up the top of the beard, because this will give me a better view of where I could fade and how to make this look the way I need to. I'm gonna start by making the first guideline with the trimmer from the middle of the ear to the top of the disconnection of the ear, and then with the 4 guard lever open, I'm gonna start blending through all the guards till I get to no guard on my clipper with lever open and blend in that last trimmer line. Using all the reflections from the mirror, guys, is what's gonna give you the perfect angle to get the blend exactly how you need it to. Now I'm gonna continue by edging up the back of the neck very cleanly to then set the guideline I set on the temple area on the other side. Blending down from the 4.5 guard open all the way down to the trimmer. Quick tip with the beard, guys, blow out your cheek and make your first line there and just follow the curvature all the way up. It'll be so much simpler. So we're gonna continue by fading the beard into the trimmer line, manipulating the lever to get that seamless blend. I'm gonna edge up the bottom of my mustache very cleanly, not too far up, and then the top of the mustache very naturally. I know we have a lot of trouble edging up the bottom of the neck, but the best way to do it is by tucking your chin into your throat and then trying to make a direct line all the way under from one side of the neck to the other side of the neck. We're going to continue by fading the bottom back of the head, starting with the 4.5 right under the occipital bone and using all the guards, manipulating the lever to blend down and get that seamless blend. I'm going to continue by edging up the top parts of the beard with the razor, getting all the excess hair that the trimmer couldn't get, and mimicking the same curvature on the other side of the face. That's why I start right next to the mustache, guys, and make that curve as I go up. Now I edge up one side of the mustache and continue with the next one. And that's it for the beard, guys. Your haircut is not finished until this very last part. You cannot walk around with a good haircut exposing all that back hair. So get your significant other to clean it up and do the bushwhacking for you. Alright guys, so this is the end of the tutorial, and one of my favorite brands, American Crew. It's the styling part. Get your favorite product, just a little bit of finger amount, rub it all over your hands real good, and then disperse it all over the hair. I like a dry, wet look, so I use a matte wax. And there it is. I don't necessarily need too much. Alright, so guys, basically what I did is I did a nice temple fade right here. I faded the beard from a 1.5 into the 0 and then the 0 up into this length right here. Did the same right here on this side, then edged it up with the razor real nice and sharp. And I cleaned up the bottom back of the neck just to give it a nice detailed finished cut. And that's it, guys. You know, I hope you were able to take something with you. And if you have any questions, please let me know, all right? Thanks a lot.